Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Saad, and I'm coming with another. Okay, today is not just like a normal vlog or anything. It's gonna be about the flood in Mali. Yay! Okay, no way. Okay. I just came back from school. Bags are wet. Flood is everywhere. I mean, look how deep this is.
Whose social science book is this? Ayush.
Ayush, that's my friend.
Where's your book?
I'll tell you. It should be there. Guys, look how.
What? Where? Where?
Holy crap. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you there's a snake. Oh, there's a snake. There's a snake. I forgot to tell you it's a black and white snake. I'm so sick. Here, mama, close the door, shut the house. Wash your pants, wash your face. Okay guys, let me guys show you the big flood. This is the second time I've been in a flood. Once before the water was up to here, it was terrifying. Okay guys, I'm sorry if I might get the phone with. Look at this. Look at that. Look how deep that is. Look. Guys, I want to show you one thing. Oh, okay, this is my neighbor's garage. He's covered with deepness of the flood. I have experienced this one time and it's not fun actually. You think it's gonna be fun because it's your flood, but it's not here. There can be snakes, some people can even die. Sorry. My brother was changing. I'm just gonna get in my room. Towel here for no reason. Got some pillows. Got some stuff. My cupboard, my bed. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll catch you guys later in a little bit. Bye.